Hi, Stephanie, it's Steve. I received your email about the PowerPoint, and I wanted to just send you this video to try to guide you through how to actually record a PowerPoint and then upload it as a video. So, as you can see here, I have your mini poster up. And so I have PowerPoint open right now, obviously. So what you're going to want to do is go up to slideshow, and then you're going to click on slideshow, and then you're going to click on record slideshow, and then you're going to click on record from the beginning just to be safe. And here is your mini poster again. And then over here, there is a record button. So you would click that, and it's gonna, I think, give you like a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then you can stop recording when you're done. And so your next step after that, I can get out of this here. Your next step after that is going to be to then go over to file on. So get out of so stop recording and then get out of the full screen. You're going to go over to file and then click export and then create video. And then you're going to click create video. So then it's going to create an MP4 video for you. And then you'll see once it's created, it'll be a little bar at the bottom that will show that it's created. And then what you're going to want to do is upload it then onto YouTube. So if you go to YouTube, if you're logged in, you should see a little like camera at the top of YouTube, and then you can just upload the MP4, and then it's going to turn it into a YouTube video for you. It should take maybe a couple minutes to do that. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Thank you so much.